andito na yung common station. Siyempre, kung kailangan mo ng tren, ha? Ha? Ah, merong tren, may tagpuan. Yung tagpuan, ang tawag common station. Ha? Oh, siyempre. Ang target ho dito, umpisa natin, ma'am, sa December, sir. Yung mga stakeholders. Meron hong mga usap-usapan. Yung dati, ano ba yun? 7,000 square meters yata yun. Ito ho, 13,000 square meters, doble. Kaya ho nadagdagan yung cost. But for the first time, if at all, it shows the oneness and cooperation of the business circle. The Taipans all to be united in an endeavor to have a project like this. Why do we say this? Before the agreement on the common station was signed, the principal parties did not come. We're not singing the same music. There was even a case pending at the Supreme Court. But then, with the Duterte administration coming in, they say, no more differences. Kapit-bisig tayo. Sama-sama, itayo natin yung common station. Sila ho yun. Sama-sama na tayo dito. Para tapusin natin to sa 2019.